So bekune-interview yaHugo Bros bembuza ngomfana we-Orlando Pirates omncane. Semasonke umfana we-Orlando Pirates uRelebohile Mofokeng, one of the best players abakhona kwi-Betway Premiership, yabo. So bathi lana uHugo Bros ushare ama-opinions wakhe regarding Mofokeng with ama-opportunities ukuthi ayele e-Europe, yabo, because maningi ama-teams ama-rumors asekhulitha kuthiwa maningi ama-team ase-Europe amdingayo Mofokeng. So yena ushilo wathi kahle kahle umfana omncane lo Mofokeng akekho ready to play for ama-Spanish Giants. Mofokeng is not ready to play for Spanish Giants, Barcelona and the top leagues in Europe such as the Bundesliga and the Serie A, yabo. According to Hugo Bros, Mofokeng akekho ready to play in those European top leagues. Exhibit A, Barcelona second team yayimdinga Mofokeng ukuthi ayojoyina khona. Bayaqhubeka bayabhala la bathi this comes after several reports stated that Barcelona are interested in signing Mofokeng, and the club had been monitoring the youngster's process at Pirates, yabo. He was linked with Rangers FC in the Scottish Premiership and other La Liga side Levante FC, yabo. Now-ke ama-comments Hugo Bros regarding indaba kaMofokeng uthi he can go to Barcelona in 2 to 3 years and he'll be stronger than now, yabo. Everybody likes Mofokeng and ukujoyina kwakhe iBarcelona right now kuzomenza ayodlalela i-second team. Yazi ayidlalele i-first team eBarcelona, yabo. Medlalela i-first team eBarcelona uzothola more exposure, uzothola more intensity. Umdlali adlale kangcono, akhuphula izinga lakhe lokudlala. Kanti mayodlala ne-second team yazi adlale kahle. Njengoba nambona lo mfana lo uShandre Campbell. uShandre Campbell wahamba wale kwiClub Brugge. Club Brugge amdlalisa kwi-second team. Kwi-second team wadlala kahle second team sebempromotile manje usedlalela i-first team. But uthi uHugo Bros umfana akathi ukuhlala kancane la eSouth Africa, athi ukuhlala kancane kwi-Pirates, athi ukuthola exposure, athi ukuqina kancane, yabo, because usamncane usana 20 years old. Waqhubeka wathi la, but when you talk about Rangers, what is really going to do in the Scottish League? He will not play there even with the talent he has. The football in that league is not ideal for Rele, yabo. Uthi kahle kahle ngokwakhe akaboni ukuthi Mofokeng kumele aye lapha kuleya league leya, yabo. Italent analo alideserve ukuthi Mofokeng aye lapha, yabo, ngokwakhe. Uyasho ukuthi he can go to Belgium, Holland, he can go to France, he can go to Portugal, not immediately in the Premier Division, but he doesn't have to go to Italy and Germany, for example, yabo. Uyasho ukuthi angaya Belgium njengaluvana lo Shandre Campbell, angaya le Netherlands, Holland, he can go to France, he can go to Portugal, but not in the Premier Division. He doesn't have to go to play in Germany or in Italy. Those leagues are very intense for umfana omncane nje ngoMofokeng. Uyagcizelela la uthi he'll be ready in 2 to 3 years, but for now he's not ready to play in such leagues even though he has a talent, yabo. Bangazi umbono wakho uthini ngale article, yabo, ngale interview le yade be-interviewa yona uHugo Bros. Umbono wakho ngangitshela ama-comments ukuthi usizwa kanjani ngale indaba lesi. Is it a good news? Are these good news or bad news coming from ucoach Bafana, yabo, singisazi. But mengikhumbula kahle wakhuluma kanje ngendaba kaMayilula. Mengikhumbula kahle uMayilula walandwa i-team yale kwi-MLS edlala eAmerica, yabo. Walandwa khona, wafike khona wangadlala, yagcina iclub simlone back kwi-Wydad Casablanca, yabo. Bamlona le kwi-Wydad Casablanca, wesuke kuMamelodi Sundowns wale America, wafike wangayithola khona igame time, wangadlala ngalendlela ayitsho uzodlala ngakhona, yabo. I feel like ama-team abadlali abaningi kumele benze njengalo mdlalo uHlongwane. Mina ngikhumbula kahle uHlongwane wasuka kwiMaritzburg wayaphesheya. uHlongwane, yes, wayengeyona ingane and futhi wayengekho mdala kakhulu, but wayesedlalile ibhola la eSouth Africa, yabo. Wayesedlalile ngempela uHlongwane. Wasuka-ke la wayodlala le kwi-Philadelphia Unions, udlala kamnandi umjida lapha, and i-contract yakhe ngizwe kuthiwa isikhupuliwe, yabo. I feel like no Mofokeng kumele athi ukuhlala kancane la, yabo. Maybe ahlale le season le kuphela mase ehamba kule season elandelayo, not like now. Mhlawumbe ngikhuluma iphutha ngangitshela lapho kuma comments wena uthi usizwa kanjani ngale indaba lesi.